What is the difference between past and present participles? First, let's start with a definition of participles. A participle is a verb turned into an adjective to show that something is being acted upon or is acting upon something else. For example, in the sentence, "The surprised customer was happy with the sale," surprised is a participle formed from the verb to surprise and emphasizes the fact that the customer has undergone the process of being surprised. Here's another example. In the sentence, "The frightening movie was not for children," the word frightening is a participle formed from the verb to frighten. The difference between past and present participles is that past participles describe someone or something being acted upon, whereas present participles describe something that is acting upon something else. For example, in the sentence, "The surprised customer was happy with the sale," the word surprised is a past participle. Notice the ed ending. It would not be proper to say "the surprising customer was happy with the sale," because an ing ending implies that the customer is the one doing the surprising. In terms of grammar rules, surprising is a present participle because of its ing ending. A present participle would be appropriate in our other example. "The frightening movie was not for children." This is because the movie is the thing doing the implied action, that is, frightening. It would not be correct to say "the frightened movie was not for children," because this makes it sound like the movie itself was scared instead of being the thing that scares others. Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.